Hello dear ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish and stunning collection of handbags. So in this video, I'm going to share with you awesome collection and awesome designs of crochet made handbag design ideas for ladies and girls. Different and amazing ideas of bag collection today I have collected for you in this video dear ladies, so must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of crochet made handbag designs. I hope so dear ladies, this video is going to be very useful for you, very helpful for you if you love to carry crochet made bags. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of crochet handbag designs. So if you are having these designs, so please dear ladies do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel dear ladies, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you dear ladies, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made handbag designs, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel. Which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you dear ladies, tell me in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collections, so please dear ladies do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of top designs, blouse design, crochet made designs, handbag designs, mother of the bride dresses, new trends, new collection ideas you will find out on my channel. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you can get new ideas and new designs from those videos. So must visit our channel and check the other collection. So thank you so much dear ladies for your kind appreciation. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies, till the next video.